guys, I'm Nanny Julie. Nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw a cute Barbie. Let's look at the picture. She has head, hair, dress, and arms. Let's look at the picture one more time. Head, hair, dress, and arms. Check my Patreon for cute coloring pages and private drawing lessons for kids in Zoom. Okay, let's start drawing. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here, right in the middle. The first step we're gonna draw is the head. We're gonna draw a circle. Come around, come back, up to the top, and connect it. The next step is the bottom of your hair. Draw a curve on the right side, inside the circle, and on the left side. Okay, good job. Then let's draw two dots for your eyes. The first and the second. Use shape in the middle for your smile. Our Barbie has roses in her cheeks. Draw C shape on the right side and backward C shape on the left side. Take your time, don't rush, pause the video and continue when you are ready. Wow, you're doing great, she's so cute! Now let's draw her ears. C shape on the left side and backward C shape on the right side. Okay, good job. Now let's draw your neck. We're gonna draw two short lines underneath your head. The first and the second. Then let's draw the top of her dress. Draw horizontal line underneath your neck. Then two diagonal lines. The first and the second. And connect with two curves. The first and the second. Then add two curves inside. The first and the second. Oh, you're doing great! Our Barbie is almost ready. Keep it up. You're doing great. Now let's draw the bottom of her dress. Draw a curve and diagonal line on the left side and the same step on the right side. Curve and diagonal line. And connect them. Now it's time for her arms. Draw two diagonal lines on the left side and on the right side. Then add two curves for her palms. The first and the second. And the same curves on the right side. The first and the second. Okay, you're doing great. And let's finish her hair. I will start over here. Comes down, curve, and connects with her dress.
Behind the arms.
And the same step on the right side. Oh, we did it! Good job! Your Barbie is so beautiful! I have a Patreon page with Zoom drawing lessons and cute coloring pages. Or you can try other free lessons on my YouTube channel, Nanny Julie. Now let's color her together. You can choose any color you like. I use pink for her cheeks. Yellow for her hair, tracing and coloring inside. Try to stay inside the line. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Keep on trying. You can do it. Tracing again and coloring inside. Take your time, don't rush. Oh, you're doing great. Tracing again. Try to stay inside the lines. Tracing again. I want to see your drawing so much. You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram or Facebook. Take me a photo. Nini Julia Art. Hairs are finished. Now I use pink and violet for her dress. Tracing again and coloring inside. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. Tracing. Oh, you're doing great. Your dress is so beautiful. Wow, you did awesome coloring in drawing Barbie. You can be super proud of your drawing. I hope you had a lot of fun drawing and coloring with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel, Nanny Julie. Love you. Bye-bye.